Here's your 2016 Ford F-150 Crew Cab Platinum Trim EcoBoost engine. Ivan Lopez here at Bound for Mandeville, 985-966-9443. That's me here at Bound Ford. Get back to the engine. I do have it running with the hood open, pre-opened. Give me a second here. There's the EcoBoost 3.5. What everybody's looking for. Don't lose out on it. This could be in your driveway. Your fog lamps. Got the LED headlights. Remote start, tailgate release, key fob, you know, you can take it out your purse or in your pocket. There's your shoes, there's your threads. Perimeter camera, window deflectors on it. Deployed running boards. Let's go ahead, you can see the medallions, FX4 for off-roading. Tri-fold hard top, tonneau cover, I'm sorry. Most of you guys that know me, I don't edit. If I goof up, say the wrong thing, I'll try to do my best. I'm not a professional at this. All I do is get you in and get you out. Keyless entry. Let's take a look at some features. The back side. Spring-loaded down tailgate. Got all of his mats. Got the weather mat as well. Spray and bed liner. LED lights in the bed. Integrated step. Black leather seats on the inside with the platinum brown down the middle. Spray and what I'm thinking of here. The third glass, the defroster, rear vents with rear heating, power source converter already built in. Memory seating on both, power seating on both sides. It actually has a massaging chairs, so kind of cheating a shortcut to it when I press the button and go right to it. Adjustment and vibration. This one's gonna come with the twin panel sunroof. Lane keeping, park assist, automatic, USB power port, cooling and heating seats, dual climate control. This one's going to have the CD player still. All the goodies, Apple Play and CarPlay, change the lightings at night times, convert up here up front as well. Got your brake assist, trailer back assist, lock your differential, of course your 4-wheel drive, push button start, Bluetooth, cruise control. All it's missing is you being behind the seat. Let's take a look at from the Driver's view. Start off with the second row seating. Jump in front of the sunroof. Keyless entry. You got the window deflectors already on them. You got blind spot monitoring. Again, memory seating all three. Adjustable pedals, control, lamps, power folding mirrors, as well as the Platinum's going to have this gold tint on the inside of the mirrors, so if some idiot changes on headlights or driving with the high beams, it doesn't blind you. Tones it down automatically. There's your driven miles. Perimeter view. Down at the hitch. Front view. Cheating by bending it in, you can actually see that car from the left. This left and that right. There you go. Don't let it get away from you. Just have other features. Get your climate control from here, heating steering wheel. Get your nav. Adjustable seats, massaging, we done talked about that, and of course, stereo radio. Sorry about that. Let me know. It's getting a little hot in here. Close the sunroof and just make it look a little bigger. A few pairs of tennis shoes in here. All that's missing, like I said, is you being in the vehicle, in the driver's seat. Close this off. Again, Ivan Lopez here at Banner Ford in Mandeville, 985-966-9443. Adios, amigo. That's me here at Banner Ford.